3 tips for managing your life. Good news. From getting organized to maximizing your time, there are some easy ways to stay focused and achieve your goals. What areas need the most work? Watching a reality TV show may be more entertaining than cleaning the green film off the shower stall, but it won't keep your home from becoming a biohazard. Establishing and sticking to priorities will help you spend less time worrying about what needs to be done and more time accomplishing your goals. Consider using Sunday evenings, when you normally mourn the end of the weekend, to go over weekly goals and priorities. This is a great way to stay focused on what you want to accomplish without getting ahead of yourself. Cut out the junk. If you're like most people, you keep possessions well beyond their usefulness. When neighbors begin mistaking your garage for abstract art, you have a problem. Consider selling old appliances, clothing and furniture that add clutter to your life to avoid the hassle of a yard sale. Use websites such as eBay and Craigslist to sell second-hand goods. One day you may even be able to park your car in the garage. Give someone else a spot. Pledging to be more active in your community is an important goal. Instead of shying away from volunteer opportunities, make a point to reserve 1 day a month for charities or functions. Nonprofit organizations are flexible when it comes to working with volunteers. None of these tips will take effect if you don't implement them into your daily routine. It only takes a couple days of procrastination before you're smothered by daily tasks and confused about what to do next. You will change your habits only by being proactive and setting constant reminders. Remember, Rome was not built in a day. By being patient with your progress and approaching your goals sooner than later, you may have some great accomplishments to celebrate.
Thank you so much for tuning in. I truly appreciate each and every one of you for your support and for spending your valuable time with me. If you enjoyed today's episode, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on future content. Your feedback and engagement mean the world to me, and I can't wait to connect with you again in the next episode. Until then, take care, stay inspired, and keep shining. See you next time. Thank you so much for tuning in.